Okay, good morning, grade 7. We are now in the topic adding and subtracting polynomials. So remember the rule. Remember that when you combine like terms, you only consider terms like, or you consider terms to be like terms or similar terms if they have the same variable or letter and exponent. Remember these two. So both of these should be considered when combining like terms. Why did I say this? Because when adding and subtracting polynomials, we only add or subtract polynomials that are similar. Okay, we only add or subtract polynomials that are similar or like terms. Okay, so remember that. So we only consider terms to be similar if they have the same variable and exponent. Like if one is x cubed here and the other is 2x cubed. So same letter and the same exponent. Okay? Now, let us answer the given exercises in your book on page 214. The second, try this. Alright? It says there to add polynomials. So, only letter A. So, we are given here 5x cubed minus 7x plus 6 and 3, open parenthesis, negative x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2. Okay? So, can we add right away? No, because although you can see similar terms, but there is another process that needs to be done first. Here, it says here 3 times. Remember when a number comes before an open parenthesis, there is an operation called multiplication. So we need to distribute this first, okay, inside by multiplying. The distributive property of multiplication over addition and or subtraction. So just copy this. That's 5x cubed minus 7x plus 6. I want to enclose this in parentheses. Alright? And I will write plus. Okay? Another parenthesis. Okay, I will distribute. I will multiply. 3 times negative x cubed will give me negative 3x cubed. 3 times 2 will give me, it's positive, so plus 6. And then there's no variable here, so just copy x squared. 3 times negative 2 will give you negative 6. Alright? Now, can we add them? Yes, because the operation is now simpler. So we know how we have to add now. So first, look for the terms that are similar. So your variables are all x's, right? X here, x. But they have different exponents. So these are not similar terms. These are not similar terms, alright? But rather, you look for a similar term here and here. So this is my technique. I would underline. So that's 5x cubed plus negative 3x cubed. So all you have to do is add the 5 and the negative 3. So 5 plus negative 3 will give you positive 2. And then copy your variable and exponent. That's why you cannot combine terms, or that's why you cannot combine terms that are not considered similar, such as different letters with different exponents, because you cannot copy them. Right? The rule in adding or subtracting polynomials is very simple. Just add or subtract polynomials that are similar. So here, I'm done with that. So I will now focus on those terms that are not underlined. That's negative 7x. Here, there is no x alone with 1 as exponent. But there is an x squared. So I will write it in descending order. Okay, so I will copy this one first. It's positive 6x squared. Why did I copy it? Because there is no other x squared here in the first parenthesis. Alright? Next, I will copy this. That's negative 7x. If you notice, that's 3 underlines because they're not the same. And this, okay, they are the same. However, positive 6 and negative 6 are called, if you can remember, they're called additive inverses. And when you add additive inverses, it will give you 0. So plus 0, or you don't need to write plus 0. Okay, so your final answer would be 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 7x. Alright?